Hey, you know I've been gone for a while. I told you the holidays I had a lot of things to cook. Man, I hope y'all had a safe Christmas and a Happy New Year. You know what? The most embarrassing thing I ever got for Christmas, though? They would come to Cooking General. They would give me a cookbook. I don't need no cookbook. I'm the Cooking General. I can cook anything. And let me tell you something about the holidays. I remember back when I was in college. I was in college with a couple of buddies, and we all had a house together. And we stayed in this little house. We had rented out, we all put our money together. And everybody gonna fly back home. You know what I'm saying, for the holidays, you know what I'm saying? Well, their mama home cooking. You know what I'm saying? We all looking forward to it. But we had a snowstorm, and the snowstorm came in, we got snowed in, and everybody was like, oh man, we cannot eat nothing good. Hey, I was learning to cook my grandmother. So I say, hey, I cook your home cooked meal. They looked at me like, man, come on, man, you be going down. No fast food here. I made them some butter beans and smoked ham hocks. And they said it was the best they ever tasted. Matter of fact, they didn't want to go home on the dang holidays. Now come and let me show you how you can do it. Check this out here. To make some butter beans and smoked ham hocks, first you're gonna need some smoked ham hocks right there. Now get you an onion and a bell pepper, some black pepper, salt, minced garlic. And we're also gonna use some beef flavor bouillon. And we about a half a teaspoon of sugar. Now, you can use other seasoning if you want to, but I'm gonna do it the basic way, then you're gonna need your beans. Now I got my water over here boiling right now. Boy, you talking about gonna be good. And just like my college buddies had, they're like, man, you can get down. And I knew then. And I was, what, 19, 20? Hey, Cooking General, let me see. We gotta go ahead and hit it one time. Let's do it. Are y'all ready? Let's do this up. Okay, now, let's do this here, man. Come on. Let me show you this college meal now. I'm trying to get a little step by step. Come back here. Now, check this out here. Now, I boiled the ham hocks maybe about 45 minutes. And I took the water and I strained them. Because you don't want to get that fresh water, you know what I'm saying? You don't want them over seasoned. You don't want all that salt flavor and all that smoke flavor in it. But you still want it. But it's about 45 minutes. Then you re-put them in some boiling water. There we go, like that. Now, move this around. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and add my onion, my bell pepper, and my minced garlic. There we go. Get all of it out there. You have to take it and put a little water in and rinse that out. It's yours. Now we go here. Now, this is about a half a teaspoon of my beef flavor bouillon. I'm gonna add that in there. A little salt now. You don't want too much salt. And some black pepper. Now, I'm gonna cover this up later on and let it just go ahead and cook slowly. Now, I'm gonna boil it for maybe about another hour and a half to 2 hours. Depends on how big or thick your ham hocks is. These are pretty thick ones here. Now, I got my beans soaking. You can pre-soak yours. You can wash them off hot water. You ain't got to. I got them soaking. Now, when I get ready to add my beans to it, I'm gonna add my sugar. Now, one thing I didn't tell you, I'm gonna use about a quarter stick of butter, and then I always say my bacon grease, and probably about a little teaspoon of bacon grease in there, just give it a little extra flavor. Man, it's gonna be good now. Y'all keep coming back, boy. Cooking General, hey, 2019, man. Hey, and I got some new stuff coming out too. I'm thinking about going on to other people's house and cooking in their kitchen and seeing what they cook. And just being there and just showing y'all a lot of different things. So y'all leave in the comments what y'all like to see me do. Would y'all like to see me go to somebody else's house and cook them a meal? Or would y'all like to see me be there and watch them cook a meal and show you? Because I know some real good cooks out here in Old Washington and all around this area. So y'all stay tuned. Cooking General, ask somebody. Every day we are there. Man, I can remember them college days. Whoo, man, I'm telling you, them ham hocks and butter beans. Man, come here, let me show you how they look. Now check this out here. Boy, look at that. Look at that. Got the butter bean, look at that. You can look at that bone, look at that bone. And away from that meat, look at that. Look how tender that is. Man, look at here. Check out my plate. Look at that. Look at that. Big old butter beans. Today they not all smushed up. They got that real good buttery flavor. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Got tender ham in. Look at that. Got to break it apart. Look here. Maybe some cornbread too. Man! Now you see why they didn't want to go home? Boy, I'm telling you. Cooking General, hey, even back in college, They knew I knew what I was doing. I'm the cooking general. In 2019, we're going to make it the best year yet. Man, cooking general, let's get down with this here.